Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is August mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Because everyone's situation is different from others, take only messages. So what are the messages for Gemini 8 sign? If whole reading is resonate with you, is fine. First card, Ace of Cups, Five of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles. Wow, beautiful cards. Okay, under the deck, King of Swords, Six of Swords, Ten of Pentacles, and Two of Wands. I think you are thinking about someone a lot. Maybe Gemini, you have options, and lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. And for some, one person in this connection is already married, having kids also involved in this connection, and someone is coming to fix the things between you and your person. And King of Swords, you are thinking through your logical mind in these recent times. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, Five of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles. So there was love between you and your person, but something had happened between you and your person. Then you're feeling very sad. Maybe lots of you are in separation or no contact. If you are in relationship, this is on and off. That's why you're feeling sad. I think there is no partnership between you and your person. When you need them, they are not available to you. So you started focusing on your career from recent past. Then present Three of Pentacles, Page of Cups, and Wheel of Fortune. Things will turn into your favor, definitely. Then someone is coming from back with an apology and to work on this relationship. Yes. So Three of Pentacles with Page of Cups. Someone is coming back for reconciliation. It is a clear message, and definitely things will turn into your favor. So communication is coming for you, Gemini. Then future, Seven of Swords, Eight of Wands, and Chariot. So I think there are some trust issues. You are not trusting this person, but lots of communication is coming. Maybe for some it will take some time because due to Chariot, but communication is coming for sure. I think you are in very slow moving energy. You are thinking through your logical mind. That's why you are taking your steps very slow. But there is lots of communication is coming, and at the same time you are not trusting this person because in past they did hurt you. Now you are taking your steps very slow. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Cancer, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So Gemini, let's see your person's current feelings and their intentions. Ten of Wands, Queen of Cups, Page of Wands, and the Tower. So your person going through a tower moment. They want to communicate with you, and lots of you have age difference. And your person have strong emotions towards you, but right now they're feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high, and for some, your person maybe have a lot of work to do. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Gemini. Their intentions. Wow. Yeah, waiting game is going. Definitely your person want positive growth in this relationship. Yeah, they want rebirth in this connection, even though it is very painful for them. Maybe they have some issues, but they want rebirth. They're coming back, but there are some trust issues. Maybe you're scared to give another chance to this person, but they are coming back. So their current feelings, judgment, wheel of fortune, and seven of wands. They won't give up on you, Gemini, and they are waiting for right time, and they are making some decision. They are in the process of making decision because judgment, and for some, maybe one person in this connection going through some legal issues, but they are waiting for right time. Definitely they are waiting for right opportunity, and they will fight for your love. And their intention, 10 of pentacles, strength, and queen of cups. Why they are fighting for your love? Because they have strong emotions towards you, because queen of cups energy, and they want to offer stability, and they want to marry you, and they want to strengthen this connection. And your person is also working on their self inner strength to come forward. I think this time your person is really very serious about you, and there is clarity is coming, communication is coming, because eight of wands. But from your side, you are not clear. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are thinking about you. They can't let you go easily because they are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. You are on their mind. Yes, because it's a soulmates connection. This is a mutual love. I think you are manifesting something big into your life. New opportunities in career, especially Gemini. You are manifesting something big. New opportunities in career, especially in relationship. Also, there will be a chance for new beginnings. Yeah, there is love between both of you and lot of passion. See how you both are passionate about each other. But at the same time, there is some trouble also. Yeah, you both missing each other, especially you also missing them, and you both missing each other. So let's see mutual energies. Mutual energies. Some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. See, you both missing each other. The same message came again. So some cycles are going to be end, and some cycles are going to be begin new cycles. And right now you both missing each other a lot. You both are right now going some transformation, and there will be some communication clarity is coming after the transformation. Yes, you both missing madly each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Gemini. Text is coming. I am feeling sad without you. I feel so alone, and I will never forget you. So the messages are, I will never forget you. Text is coming. I am feeling sad without you, and I feel so alone. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Have faith in your dreams. So if you're dreaming about something, first you have to believe, and you have to be faithful to your dreams. Definitely have faith in your dreams. Believe, then it will come true. Let's see another message. A personal issue reaches resolution full moon in Cancer energy. So if you are going through a personal problem right now, it is going to be resolved very soon, especially when full moon in Cancer. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.